This screencast will cover the causes of inequity of access to fresh water, how it affects a country's development, and the possible solutions to prevent water scarcity from around the world. Water scarcity affects more than 2.8 billion people around the world annually, and more than 1.2 billion people daily due to lack of access to potable drinking water. Water scarcity is when there's a lack of sufficient available water resources to meet the demand and water usage within a region. Physical water scarcity refers to a situation where natural water resources are unable to meet a region's demand, and economic water scarcity is a result of poor water management. According to waterwise.org, in the US, every single person uses 575 liters of water a day. If you take into account the water that is needed to produce food and the products you consume in your day-to-day life, also known as embedded water, you actually consume 3,500 liters per day. Comparing the statistics to the statistics from the United Nations Development Report, water-scarce countries such as Mozambique use 15 liters, Haiti at 10, or Uganda at 4. You can see that there's a large difference in the water usage, which creates inequity among the world's resources. A person needs 2 liters of water a day to survive. According to the UN, when a country distributes less than 50 liters of water a day per person, then this country is considered to be water scarce. Here are the top 10 countries with limited access to fresh water. The first cause is the overuse of water. This is a huge problem in many developed countries which take advantage of this resource. According to waterusgs.gov, we waste approximately 95% of the water we use. Water pollution is also a huge problem, especially when you're looking at areas which necessarily don't have good sewage systems, which is mainly found in underdeveloped nations in Africa and Asia, causing fresh water to be undrinkable. Distance. There are a number of areas throughout the entire world that deal with water scarcity because they aren't close to anywhere that has water. This means that many children and women have to walk large distances in order to get the water that they need. Droughts. Droughts are common throughout the whole world, and there's little that can be done to prevent these things from happening. This also depends on the geographical location of the country where the water can be located. Here are some of the effects of having minimal access to fresh water. First is thirst. People who don't have access to fresh water often become malnourished and thirsty, which causes many effects to the country as well as the people. Hunger. If there is no water that can be produced, that means that there is no water to water the crops, and then people are going to go hungry. Since there's a lot of water to grow crops and maintain factories of countries with water crisis are unable to export crops, and therefore causing the country not to develop, as they can't produce these products that they can export and increase their GDP. Water scarcity makes it difficult for people to get the education that they need or deserve, because children are either too sick to go to school based on waterborne diseases, or they are working to help get water to their homes. This causes a country to stop development, as many people do not go to work and provide for the country. If you don't have access to clean water, then you are more likely to get diseases from the water that you do have. Those diseases get into your body, and in a number of cases, the people carrying these diseases will pass away. The lack of water contributes to a high infant mortality rate, such as Bangladesh, which has 70% mortalities per 1,000 live births due to waterborne diseases. This affects the country's development because there isn't enough younger generations to support the economy, causing poverty and overworking in the older regions. All in all, people who are dealing with water scarcity are often stuck in poverty and have many sanitation issues. Poor water quality can lead to poverty, which weakens the people and therefore has a direct impact on the productivity, hence the economic development of a country. All these impacts causes a country to fall in the poverty cycle, which can be seen in this picture, which greatly impacts the country's development based on the Human Development Index, which is a statistic made of life expectancy, education, and income per capita. Some of the solutions include educating the people to prevent this issue from worsening, recycling water through various technologies and rainwater systems to make water a more sustainable source, and improving the sewage systems in many countries without proper sanitation. And other small solutions you can do at home include not to waste drinking water, take shorter showers, and half flush the toilet.